It's Abner, the creator. Is this a dang raptor, man? This gotta be the scariest bird I've ever seen in my life. Look at how creepy this death stare is. What the hell did I just watch?
Shower wing.
This kid for sure got a concussion.
You can't get up? Oh, Jesus!
Is this dude moaning? Is this guy really moaning while benching?
Come on. That's so valid. Let's go, Yanya! That's valid.
I just want to give that trunk kisses, man. He likes his little bananas. That is some good ass dirt, and this is satisfying. This chick pretended like she was in jail and she prank called her dad. This is a great prank idea.
Angela David. Say yes if you would like to accept this call.
Yes.
Hello?
What the fuck, Angela? What the fuck? What the fuck did you do now? There's a fucking rat there.
I'm sorry, y'all gonna call me nasty, but this shit looks good. Leave the baby alone, man.
Emiliano.
Don't worry, this dog is a paid actor. He gets paid in bones.
Oh my gosh!